Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using a Google account. Sign in and verify recovery options so you can recover access later. Once signed in, open YouTube and click your avatar to create a channel. Choose brand account if you want multiple managers. Make sure to select a clear channel name that reflects your niche, because search and discovery depend on relevance. While creating, upload a profile image and banner to look professional. These visuals build trust quickly with viewers. Once the channel exists, go to YouTube Studio and fill in channel details. Write a concise about that explains what viewers get and include a contact email for business. Next, add channel keywords and default upload settings to speed future uploads and set privacy defaults for uploads. Customize your layout by adding a trailer for new visitors and arranging playlists so your best videos surface immediately. This improves watch time. Now upload your first video. Use an SEO-friendly title, detailed description with timestamps and links, relevant tags, and a clear custom thumbnail. These help click-through rates. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply for monetization and make sure channel verification is complete. If something goes wrong, like upload or playback errors, clear your browser cache, try incognito mode, or re-encode the file using standard codecs. If still stuck, check YouTube Studio status and retry after a short wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.